Hi, I'm Jabari Pride and welcome back to expertvillage.com. Okay, you just got done doing the drills. Now to get to the good part, the running part. So, before you start a race, you have to learn how to actually start the race. So, you're going to learn the starting position. You want to put your strongest leg first. So if your left leg is stronger than your right leg, you're going to have your left leg in front of you, because when you take off, you're going to be pulling with that leg longer than the opposite leg. So it only makes sense to be pulling longest with your stronger leg. So since we don't actually have starting, blocks here, we're just going to go from a 3-point stance. It's called a 3-point stance because I'm going to have 1, 2, 3 points on the ground. Okay? So I want to make sure if I'm running in this direction that my body's going to be in a straight line in that direction. I don't want my right leg out over here or out behind my other leg like this, because I'm going to go off in the wrong direction. I want to go this way. So everything's going to be nice and aligned. So if I was standing up straight, I would just bring my right leg behind me. Then, taking my right hand, because my left leg's in front, I'm going to take my right hand and put that in line with my right foot. So, if you're having a nice bend in the left leg, maybe close to 90 degrees, a slight bend in the right leg, whatever really feels comfortable, keeping my left arm up above my body, because I'm going to use that as I come up to drive. So if I have my left arm down, I'm not going to be able to really drive as much as if I have my left arm behind me to really get that nice long drive. Okay? So as you start, that first step you take, you're driving with your left arm down, and you're bringing your right, and you're pushing off with that right leg, and then bringing it through, cycling it through. So slowly it's going to look like that. That's what your first step's going to look like. Okay? So here's an example of a start. I'm going to do it slowly, and then another one medium, and then another one fast. So here's a slow. And then a second one, speeding it up a little bit so you can really see what it looks like. It almost looks like I'm jumping out, because you're exploding out of that spot, out of that spot position. And here's a faster version of what I just did. And that's starting.